Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get to this amazing website on your Firestick, which has all the best IPTV players as well as media players, totally free of charge. And you can use this website to download them all. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get to this website as well as how to download those IPTV players. And firstly, you need to have the app called Downloader on your Firestick. So if you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course, follow me. So firstly, we go to the search bar on your Firestick. Here it is, open the search bar, and now we start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on it, and here's this orange app, which you need to get to your device. But then, after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because obviously you still have to set it up. So now to set up Downloader, let's go to Settings, right here, open it, and then go to My Fire TV. Open it, and in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options on the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you go to install unknown apps, and in here now what you have to do is just locate Downloader and turn the option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now let's go back to the list of apps on the Firestick. Here it is, open it, and here's the downloader. But before actually using it, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Luxembourg right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. And it means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So now we go back to the list of apps on your Firestick. Here it is, open it, and now get ready to use the Downloader. So let's open it. Wait a moment for it to load, and now let's open the search bar and now start typing the code, which will be 9. Sorry, it was firstly 2, then 98344. So once again, it's 298344. That is the code you have to enter. Then just click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And then when this website opens, you'll see a huge list of applications such as IPTV Smarters, TVMate, Perfect Player, XC IPTV Player, IPTV Extreme, and so on. So if you click any of those buttons, the download of that IPTV player will start, and all that is totally free of charge. So here's how it works. Let's say I do want to download the XC IPTV player. Here it is. Let's just click on it. And now in a couple of moments, the download of the app will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you click install and make sure that the app gets properly installed to the Fire TV stick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So just click on delete and then delete once again to save yourself some free space on your device. And then when you return back to the list of apps on the Fire Stick, here at the bottom you will find this new IPTV Player app. So enjoy the apps and don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. See you next time. Bye bye.